Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add another page in Google Docs. So here I've already at the end of my page in my paper right here, the page 11, and as you can see, if I scroll down, it stuck in here. And I want to add another page. So what you can do, or I can do, is click on insert at the top, and then you'll find the break options here. And there are three options that you can use, but if you want to add another page, you can just choose from these two: page break or section break. So in this case, I'm going to click on this, and as you can see now, the page 12 or another page has been added into my paper, and you can just start typing in here. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.